Hello, everybody. This is Karthik Poovanam. I'm a leadership coach, author, and a travel explorer. How are you all doing today? Well, I asked these rocks here, how come this place is so clean, so vibrant, so calm, and so serene? You know what they said? They said, listen, Karthik, come sit. So I sat and I felt. They said, look around, look everywhere around. What do you observe? There are no crowd, there is no family, there are no friends. They're just authentic individuals who come here to experience silence. That is why it is so clean and so pleasant, and the aura is so vibrant. I asked this tree, tell me, your spiritual companion, this rock, is telling that there are no people, no friends, no relatives, no family members coming here. Is this the reason why this place is so clean, serene? It laughs with reassurance, the positive vibe. I asked this, leaves the same question. So much of aura, so much of life. And they say, calm and vibrant people come here. That is why the space is so raw and so fresh. Well, I didn't completely believe what these people are telling, or this existential entities who have been here for so long are telling, because they look, maybe a little less aged. So I asked this guy, seems to have lived and survived for several hundreds of years, or maybe even thousand, I don't know. What do you say? Huge, Mr. Hughie, Mrs. Hughie, whatever it is. And you know what the Hughie says? Wherever there are human beings in crowds, all that they bring is destruction of peace. Wherever there is a family that goes, friends, relatives together, whenever they are together, all that they can cause is noise pollution and environmental pollution. You need to be an individual if all you're seeking is a joyful time with life and existence. So amazing and deeply blessed by the grace of Lord Balaji. Jai Balaji, that I chose to live a life in harmony and bliss. Good day, everyone. Stay blessed.